Thank you for choosing Nattaro Scout and joining the fight against bedbugs. The Nattaro Scout, the world's gold standard in bedbug detection. The Scout contains a non-toxic attractant that mimics bedbugs' aggregation pheromones. That is, the bedbug home that lures the bedbugs into the trap with unmatched accuracy. Activating your trap is simple. Remove the lure from the bag, it activates the scent immediately. Place the lure in the trap and position it under your mattress. If bedbugs are nearby, they will climb into the trap from where they can't escape. Please remember to always look around the trap if there are any other bedbugs nearby. If 2 weeks have gone by and you still not have caught any bedbugs, it's simply because most probably there are no bedbugs in or around your bed. With Nattaro Scout, early detection is easy, giving you peace of mind, keeping your home bedbug free.